If you feel like your relationship with your boyfriend could use a boost, there are a few simple things you can try. Good communication is key to any healthy relationship, so make sure to let your boyfriend know that you love and appreciate him. When you talk to him, take time to actively listen to what he has to say. This will not only show him that you really care, but can also help minimize misunderstandings that could lead to arguments. You can also show your interest by asking him meaningful questions. For instance, make a point of asking him how his day went whenever you see him, or ask him a question about a subject you know he's interested in or knows a lot about. It's natural to have disagreements sometimes, but when you do argue, do your best to minimize conflict instead of escalating it. Avoid pointing fingers or making personal attacks, and focus on your feelings instead. For example, say something like, "I felt really hurt when you didn't call me last night. Can we try to be better about keeping in touch?" In addition to working on communication, make sure to spend plenty of quality time with your boyfriend. Look for activities that you can do together that you'll both enjoy, like going on special dates or trying out a new hobby together. Show him you care by making small, loving gestures throughout the day, whether it's giving him a tender hug or bringing him his favorite snack. Everyone is different, so take time to get to know what's most important to him in the relationship and focus on those areas. For instance, some guys might prioritize physical affection, while others are more interested in hearing loving words or receiving acts of kindness. If you're not sure what he wants, you can always ask him. Say something like, "Is there anything you'd like to change about our relationship?" Or, "I know spending time outdoors is important to you. Would you like it if we went on more hikes together?"